Hey guys, Christina here with CBrinley Artistry on day 2 of the hashtag 40 Days of Course. This is the dried painting from yesterday that we did. I think it looks really cool. I really like the gold that got in there. I think it looks really cool. Alright, and so for today, what we're going to do for today's technique is we're going to do a flip and drag. So just like we did yesterday, we're just going to flip the cup over, fill it up, and then drag it around instead of just lifting the cup. So I might actually put some paint around the edges as well. Alright. So right here I got these already mixed with the silicone in them. So I'm just going to prepare a cup. And this time I'm going to use more paint. So I make sure that if I do get those amazing cells, that that I don't have to stretch them out like I did last time. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do color combinations first, and I'm going to do one that has the silicone in it and one that doesn't. There's no rhyme or reason for why I'm doing this. I just kind of want to see how the cells will work with that. I definitely think I have enough paint today in this cup. And this time I didn't put paint on the edges, so I didn't mess myself up. So I can just flip it right over, which will be nice. For added flow. Oh. Alright, and now I'm just gonna drag it around. Oh, I did not mean to do it like that. Alright. Ah, dang it, all the best parts kind of just went off the sides. Oh, and I don't want to overstretch these beautiful cells. I love it. I love it. I can't let that stuff go to waste. Alright. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my shovel. I'm going to pick that stuff up. Because that looks gorgeous. And I'm just going to stretch that right out over there. Pick up these. Alright. So it's a little chaotic. But I like it. I just hope that now I don't have too much paint on here. I think I'll take more chances. There's so many cells, I don't know what to do. Like, I like this right here, but I kind of want to add more to match right here. Alright, I think that looks cool. Alright, I am not going to leave it, I am going to leave it alone. I'm not going to touch it anymore. I'm just going to leave it like this because I think this is awesome. I don't know how well it's going to dry because I feel like the paint is kind of piled on there. It's also the middle of the day and my kids still have to come home. So we'll see if it survives. But thank you for tuning in for the second day of hashtag 40 Days of Pours, and I hope you enjoyed this flip cup drag that kind of turned into a shovel pour. I enjoyed it. I will see you guys tomorrow for the next one. Alright, it's been about an hour since I painted that, so it's kind of started to dry, but you know that all the cells have come out by this point. And look at all those cells. I actually got to keep them today. I absolutely love this. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today for the second day of the 40 Days of Pours, and I will see you tomorrow.